Hey, you guys. What are we here for?
The baseball game.
The baseball game, that's right.
Baseball game.
And this is our team building event for Q3, and we're actually saw John Deere, so we figured, hey, let's stop and park in John Deere's parking lot. Hopefully they don't tow us, but anyway, we got the whole team here. As you can see, we're a lighter crew and a younger crew today. I can employ kids, can I? I think it's pretty cool. All right, guys, let's go to the game. Let's get there. Run, 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 run. Well, we got a water fountain right there. So far off to a great start for attractions. And now we just gotta wait for a ticket from our team so we can get in the gate. Are you gonna let us in?
You got tickets.
All right.
No ticket.
You guys need some tickets?
We need to get into this.
$5 a piece.
Say thanks to Adam.
I get a ticket.
Stick in your pocket. Look at this cool rock. We picked a guy up, Adam, now. So we're now 6 strong. 6 strong in our team building event here. Follow Adam in a line. Whoa, what is that? We found the rest of our team, you guys. It's not just us kids. All right, let's go RedHawks. Oh, they're trying to steal. Oh, hit him. The ball hit the guy. Would that hurt if he got hit by a really fast thrown baseball? Yeah. Swing and a miss. All I know is I could not hit those balls. Oh.
Let's steal it.
We got him! We got him! Oh, wow. Oh, caught the pitcher in the leg. Oh, he still got him. He doesn't even act like it hurt. So that's 2 people that we've seen gotten hit by balls, and they act like it doesn't even hurt.
My kids, they'll get beamed and they just run down and they're like, doesn't hurt. Yeah, it does. It hurts, Dad.
I'll be like laying on the ground like the guys in soccer when they get touched. Oh, my leg, my leg.
My leg!
You guys are hungry already? But we just got here. Oh my goodness, we need to go find some food. Such needy people. But you got to keep the team happy. So we can... Hi, John. Minis.
They're hot.
Thank you.
Yep.
We found John, you guys. Want to take a bite?
I want to.
Take a bite. They're really hot, but
Really hot.
thanks, John.
You bet. You want one too?
Thanks, son.
Whoa, that's hot, but really good. Well, we got some huge Bavarian pretzels. Hi. We got mini donuts. You got enough cooking to feed all of us?
Oh man, I got enough to feed the whole moon.
All right, good. That's pretty cool. So you started with that thing. Looks like it just automatically does it.
Yeah, it does.
That's cool. Hey, thanks, man. All right, guys, let's go find the next thing.
I'm holding it out to this.
Cotton candy, squeezed lemonade, snow cones, caramel apples, and some drinks. We found the Dippin' Dots. Okay, we need a big one to share probably. Hey, you know what's crazy is that stuff looks like fertilizer. Thank you. Now that looks like colored fertilizer right there. You farmers would have seen this before. Was it good?
Yeah.
Ooh, thank you for this colored fertilizer. Yum, 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 yum. Look who came.
That was easy.
Oh, no, no, no. What's he doing?
He said
Yeah, because I think it's because he messed with them. Very nice. Thank you, man. Oh, you want this? All right. Yeah. He's a true YouTuber. All right, guys. Cheese. Good job, guys. That was beautiful singing. Beautiful. All right, guys, we've got the bases loaded. Let's see if he pulls it off. I get a long ball.
Right through that
It's a ball.
Canadian side.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I think he's gonna get base hit and then score at least one.
Yeah,
He's gonna do a
RBI.
long ball,
One RBI.
Yep.
Elijah, what's your theory?
He's gonna hit into a double play.
It's that
Okay.
positive attitude.
That's actually
It's
my
that positive attitude.
Oh, it's 2 balls. John, you're gonna take a wager on what's gonna
I
happen?
say long ball, 2 RBIs, 2 runs come in.
All right, all right, all right. Oh, got a strike. Is that 1 strike, 2 balls? Yep. Jeff, what do you think's gonna happen?
He's gonna hit a long ball and score the third.
Okay, another long ball, 2 scores.
Yeah.
Derek, you got an opinion?
Grand slam.
Grand slam? Hey, I like your thinking. Go big or go home. Wait, we are home. So we're going big. 2 and 2. Any wagers on what's gonna happen?
Something's going to happen. I just don't
Hey, you know what?
what.
That's guaranteed right there. That's a good one. That's safe.
Guaranteed.
We've got another chance. Another chance. We got a strike out there, but 2 outs means 1 more out. I'd say at this point, you're all or nothing. You just got to go for the
You
fence.
swing for the fence.
You just swing.
Yep. Swing right out of your shoes.
Oh man! Oh, it's a popper. Oh. All right, pop fly. The inning is over. But you know what? We're still having a great time here at the quarterly team building event.
That's right.
And we hope you are too. Guys, thanks for watching. God bless. We're out. By the way, guys, if you've seen some pretty cool things that we've done at Ready and you like what we do and you think would be someplace fun to work for you, give us a shout. We're looking for great team members to keep farmers farming. We got a careers page on our website. That'll be in the link. We would love to have you if you're a high-performing individual and could get on board with helping farmers out there and be a part of a great team. Hey, again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Well, the truck is here and the team members are much more tired than when we first started out. You guys ready to go back to work?